What are the decimals? Decimals are one of the types of numbers which has a whole number and the fractional parts separated by a decimal point. The dot represent between the whole number and fractional part is called the decimal point. For example, 34.5. 34 is a whole number while point is a decimal point which is read as dot and 5 is the fractional part of 1. There is a place value chart like 34.7. So you all know what is the place value is of 34. 4 stands for ones, 3 stands for tens, and point is a decimal point and 7 is tenth. So the number is 30 plus 4 point plus 7 by 10. 7 by 10 is a fractional number. You can easily say this is a partition, part of the fraction. Now this is a place value chart. You can see the dot is shows the decimal point. Then there is a place values like ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and after the decimal the place values are to be read as tenth, hundredth, thousandth and 10,000 or so on. Each place is 10 times larger than the place to its right. Okay, so now we are going to read about the how to convert a decimal fraction to a decimal number. What is a fraction? You know that there are two things, numerator and denominator. So if I say that what is a 1 by 4, so you can easily say 1 is the numerator, 4 is the denominator. We will read it as 1 divided by 4. So 1 will be the dividend, 4 will be the divisor. If you divide them in a decimal normal division form, you can find it out that it is 0.25. So decimal value of 1 upon 4 will be 0.25. Okay, 7 by 2 is a fraction. Its decimal value will be 3.5. 3 by 6, that is 3 divided by 6 will be equals to 0.5. Good. 3 by 4 will be equals to 0.75. Now what about 7 by 10? See, the denominator there is 1 0. So decimal will be before one digit in the numerator. So 7 by 10 will be 0.7. Just a simple rule, 0 hatao, decimal lagao. So remove the 0 and put the decimal. 45 by 1000. So 3 digits, 3 zeros in the denominator. So 3 digits in the numerator. So 5, 4. Now there is no third digit. So we will add 0 to there and we will make it 0.045. Now this you will do by your own. There is a more example for you to solve to check yourself. Now the conversion of decimal to fraction. Fractions to decimal, you are easily knowing that it is divide the numerator by the denominator. Now what is the decimal to fractions? Just write it the number as in a fraction form. Fraction form means 0.4 will be 0.4 upon 1 and remove the decimal and simplify it. So 0.75 will be 0. How many digits are there after dots? There are 2 digits. So in the denominator there will be 2 zeros. So it will be 75 upon 100. So if you simplify it, it will be 3 by 4. 26.9. You can see this 26 is a whole number. So there are two methods like it make it it's 269 upon 10. Then make it in the simplest form mixed number, that is 26 and 9 by 10. 4.25, 425 by 100. There is another method is 4.2. So 4 is the whole number, write the 4 directly. 0.2, change this 0.2 in a fraction form. So it will be 2 upon 10. And now simplify 2 upon 10, that will give you 1 by 5. So the fractional value of 4.2 is 4 and 1 by 5. 5.12. Write 5 as a whole number. 0.12, 12 upon 100. So the fractional value will be 5 and 3 upon 25. Now practice this to express it in the lowest term and to convert them in the decimals. This is the ordering of the decimals. There are few numbers. You have to convert them in the smallest to the largest numbers. So what is the first rule? First, arrange the whole numbers in an order. So 2 is the smallest, 3 is the biggest. Now what you have to do, the numbers are not arranged. You have to arrange them. Okay, they are not arranged. So what you have to do later on, see the digit next to decimal. After decimal, what is the second highest place? So it is 2.100 will be the smallest number. Where 2.13, then 2.3, then 2.48, then 2.9, 2.75, sorry, 2.9. After this, come to whole number 3. So 3.06, 0 is the smallest number. So 3.06, where 3.10, then 3.580, then 3.6 and 3.85. Okay, so this is the order. Now come to the addition and subtraction of the decimals. It is like you have to arrange them in a proper column. This mismatch is not good for your calculations. Even you can get the answer, but still it's not good. For this, always remember this is snowman, like all the dots in a single column. So if you have to add 0.32, 12.965 and 1.1, what you have to do? First line up the decimal points. Decimal points means ये dot को just line it up, whole. Then line up the, make it whole numbers in a column. Then after dots, whatever the digits are there, just arrange them in the column. If you feel that there are some less digits, number of digits, so fill it with the zeros. Okay, and then add it like a normal number. This is another example is for you. Do it by your own. Now the subtraction of the decimal, it is also similar to that uh, addition. Just follow the rule. Line up the decimal points. For this, track on zeros, whatever the digits are less. Where subtract it normally like a normal number. So this is all for today. I hope you all have liked this fast video of decimals. Just recap the chapter with the help of this slide. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.